Hi, we are Team Kosapania, represented by myself Dinesh Kumar and Gautam and Harish. Here we can see our project blockchain based document validation system. It's a online based blockchain based certificate and document validation and verification system for institutions and organizations. Here we can see our case study. It's an online IPFS based blockchain certificate and document validation system for the government and private organizations because there is some case studies we researched that some institutions and government certificates and documents are being tampered and faked by some type of hackers or any type of person who do illegal activities. Here are some case studies. The, there are some during the election time, in North India, one man arrested for generating thousands of fake voter IDs, and the election commission department can arrest the person for creating this type of crime. This is why it happened because the older certificate and documents that are in current today can be easily tampered because there is only some type of serial numbers representing the person or some type of stamps and seals representing the government of India. It can be easily modified with some type of technique use. But to provide solution to this, we can bring the blockchain and also some simple QR code based verification system using the in a time-based encryption system. We provide solution to this. Let's see here. We can see the it's the difference among the older documents. Like they have some special logos, special symbols, and the signature for the proof. And like Aadhaar card, has a simple QR code. But if anyone scans the QR code, there are some sort of details that can expose it. This type of detail can be lead to some privacy data disclosure also. So it does not have any privacy or secure among this. So to provide the solution to this, we provide a blockchain based document validation system that we build some app to scan a document with simple QR code. We place the QR code in a certificate and use them to verify whether the certificate is original or it is tampered or fake. Okay, here is a simple description of our project. We build a proprietary software that works on a principle of blockchain IPFS network and cryptographic values. The user of organization can verify through selecting the QR through the app. Currently our software developed in a Web 3.2 principles. We are later to make it a mobile app to easier and convenient for user friendly. Here I can explain the project clearly. In our blockchain based document validation system, we generate a QR code. The QR code for certificates and other documents, any type of document, we generate a QR code. How and the unique solution compared to other blockchain document validation system, our unique approach is we implemented a time-based encryption system to the blockchain network. So that's why our project is unique from other document validation system. Once we collected the personal detail and convert into a QR code, after converting them into QR code, we can use the QR code to store it in a blockchain IPFS server. We can already know about the blockchain IPFS server. It is used to store some kind of data, and once IPFS, the data is stored in IPFS, it can retrieve some type of hash value. The hash value indicates the address where our data can be stored. So once the QR code can be updated in MD5 file and stored in a IPFS server, and the hash value generated from the IPFS can be used in a time-based encryption as a input. The address the where the user person detail stored in IPFS can be undergo our unique time-based encryption algorithm that can use that used to encrypt a hash into present time. If the present time is 9 o'clock, the time-based encryption uses a different mechanism to encrypt them. Every time, every 1 hour, the encryption algorithm can changes itself, so it can be unpredictable and uncrackable. After the encryption, if you need to verify the individual document, we have a decryption key for the time-based encryption algorithm. We use the decryption key to decrypt the value, and after the decryption, we can get the hash value of the memory address where the IPFS store the person's data. And again, the IP using IPFS server to retrieve the person data. And once the IPFS value and the documents value can be matched, the verification is successful. We can easily verify whether the document is trusted or it is been faked or tampered certificate. By this process, we can easily verify the every type of documents. The technologies we use is Python and blockchain IPFS server, and cryptography is our own time-based encryption algorithm. This is our project flow chart. Here we can here the main point of view is we are going to implement in student who are receiving certificates from universities and other company related course certificates. This is a main objective. Our project can be were implemented in the main role. Okay, here we see the advantage and dependencies of project are required. Here the main advantage is to avoid a fake certificate creation. The main motive of project is to avoid the fake certificate creation and detect if any fake certificate validation. It increases the trust and transparency of data and sharing on a verification process. It our project is the unique solution that build a complete trust over the data apart from university and private organization to verify the document. Our data will be stored in a decentralized blockchain IPS system, so it cannot be our data will be prevented from inside of cyber attacks. It can because the blockchain IPS service is unhackable. And the main dependencies of project is we need a encryption decryption key to encrypt our data, and IPFS blockchain server to store our data secure, and we build a complete web application app to validate and verify the QR code in a certificate documents. Here we can see our revenue stream. As a small company startup, we initial our software and 1 month will cost $6. Our regular hosting and maintaining package is $25 per month. As a large scale company, we offer $2,000 for our software and 1 month of hosting. And regular for hosting per month will be 1,000. It's our revenue stream. If in case our project can be led into software startups, and also we are going to see the practical and prototype of our project we are currently developed. Here we can lively perform how the data can be stored in IPS server and how the QR code will be generated and how it is going to verify. We can practically perform a prototype. For the Excel sheet, this includes the data among the certificate individuals. This Excel contains certificate individuals like the silent for certificate data analysis certificate. So the data. Here is a code to encrypt the data into data and convert it to QR code. After running this code, the data will be generated to store in a QR code. It is processing it. After running the code, we have seen the QR code is generated from the Excel sheets. For every name, the Excel sheet has the data will connect it to the QR code. We can capture this QR code and place it in a certificate. After that, we can use the decryption code, we can use the decryption code to verify it. This is a QR code. We are going to run the decryption code. Here we can run the code. Here we can see the encrypted output. While scanning the QR code, we can only see the encrypted output because we use time-based encryption to encrypt the data. Later the decryption key will process it and generate the user detail. Okay, here we can see it's a Pinata blockchain IPv server. Here we can see the what are the QR code can be the user details can be stored in this IPv server. The name Prabhu Harish Gautam can the name of the Excel sheet can be converted into QR code and stored in IPv database.